What's good, YT? It's your boy Vic bringing us a quick little video. Today we're going to be installing a torque solution throttle body spacer on my 2014 Hyundai Genesis Coupe 3.8 Ultimate. The car is completely stock other than a Canon intake that the car already had when I purchased it. So this is going to be the first little mod. Can't wait. We're going to be installing this, then taking it right over to the dyno, get a dyno today, see what kind of numbers it puts out. I'm expecting like 280, 290. It's completely stock other than this and the intake that it's gonna have. Later down the road, we might do headers and exhaust, but that's down the road when I have a little bit more money and more cash. So let's go install this real quick and shoot over to the dyno and go from there, guys. Let's get it.
This is a Tricky Beat production. This is a Tricky Beat production.
What you doing? What's it? Man, I was on the last 1 minute horsepower. Alright guys, that's it for that video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Obviously I did not break the dyno. I did not put out the numbers I said I did in the title because that's clickbait, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video still because it's still sick as fuck. But yeah, man, I'm excited and I'm glad and I'm stoked about the numbers it put out. So I'm excited because there's a lot of building to do, obviously. So 300 horsepower is a great number. I expected a lot lower. So I'm stoked because I had a higher number. And yeah, man, I'm just excited to keep working on my cars, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the process. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you did, share, subscribe, and smash that like button, guys. I appreciate you guys following me and my adventures with my cars and other shit that I be doing. So I'm hoping you guys enjoy the content. I'm trying to upload frequently for you guys. It's obviously hard when someone has a full-time job like me. I'm still working. So yeah, man, right now I'm working a lot more on the 240. I have a lot of other stuff going on with that project, so I might not have any videos for the Genesis anytime soon. Hopefully within the next couple months, I get an exhaust or I get test pipes or something along those lines. All we're doing for that car is full bolt-ons. That's about it, because it is still my daily, so I'm not really gonna dump in too much money to it. Probably just wheels, coilovers, and full bolt-ons. And thanks again for the support, guys. Let's get it. Peace.